For the quadratic equation, y equals negative 2x squared minus 4x plus 5, determine whether the equation has a maximum or minimum. We can do that by determining if it opens upward or downward. And since our a value is negative, we know it's going to open downward like that, which is going to make it have a maximum value. So now that we know that it's a maximum value, let's find that. We first need to find the x-coordinate at the vertex, which would be the maximum value. So we're going to have negative b over 2a. That will give us our x. When we plug that in, we'll get the y value, which is the maximum value. So now our a is negative 2, our b is negative 4. So the x-coordinate, where we're going to have our maximum value on our y, will be the opposite of negative 4 over 2 times negative 2. That comes out to 4 over negative 4, which is negative 1. If we now go ahead and replace the x values with negative 1, we'll find the y-coordinate, which is the maximum value. So y equals negative 2 times the negative 1 squared minus 4 times the negative 1 plus 5. And then if we square our negative 1, we get y equals negative 2 times 1. Negative 4 times 1 happens to be positive 4. And we've still got our 5 on the end. Negative 2 times 1 ends up giving us negative 2. We also have a plus 4 and a plus 5. When you calculate that out, we get 7. So the maximum value is going to be 7 for our y's.